are in this class, and this is a special class where you will learn many new things here. And I will tell you today the multiplication technique, addition technique, and to learn and memorizing the vocabulary power. I will tell you how to memorize English vocabulary power. Dipali, Diansi, Diyam, Hania, Hassan, Khushi, Kishon, Krishna, Kritika, Manan, Mohammad, Nabia, Naman, Naina, Ojas, Parnav, Purvi, Ramesh, Rudraksh, Shivagya, Sachi, Shubh, Tanishk, Vans, Vivan, all are welcome here. And this will be a special class for you. And be ready with copy and pen. And yesterday in class, what we have learned? कल हमने क्लास में क्या सीखा था ये बताओ. What we learned yesterday class. कल की क्लास में क्या क्या सीखा था? Stanzas. I have told you about the tables, how the tables works. Like if I will ask 18 8 जा क्या होगा? What will be the 18 8 जा? Doubling method 18 8 ja is to be compared with 9 8 ja, and 9 8 ja is 72, and I can double the 72 easily. That is 144. What will be the 16 7 ja? Don't you know 16 7 ja, but you know 8 7 ja. Then you can do 8 7 ja. Yes, very good. Well done, well done, well done. बहुत अच्छे. And I have told you about the technique of how to multiply it by 11. What will be the answer? Tell me. What will be the multiplication of this? I have told you about that. What will be that? You will have to put 2 zeros here and there, and then simply add them up. Then simply add them up. Add this, add this, add this, add this, add this will be your answer. It will be directly your answer. Well done. बहुत अच्छे. Very good. Now I will tell you magical multiplication is to be multiplied by 4. Ready? Ready with your copy and pen. So we will say 5 2 is 10. 5 3 ja 15, you know very well. 5 2 ja 10. Here you will write 10. 5 6 ja is what? 30. 5 stanza, you know very well. Then how many 5s are there in 30? How many 5s are there in 30? 6 5s. And what is the concept of 5? I will tell you. Tell me first. Match the best suited result. It will be suited to this, it will be suited to this, or it will be suited to this. Which will be the best result? A result, A, B, or C? Which will be best? A, B, or C? The best will be this one, 10 by 2. And this is the concept which I will teach you. Let's see how many seconds you will take to solve them up. Try. Try without calculator, without mobile. How many you can solve them up? How many? Just write each answer. Later on, I will tell you the trick. First, try yourself. Okay, that is correct. That is 70. But what about this? Already 20 seconds have been passed. You are not able to answer. 320. And this. and this. It is taking around 40 seconds. Have been done? No answer. Yes. In 50 to 60 seconds, I am getting your answers. Now, I will tell you the trick here. Okay, I will tell you the trick here. What will be the trick? Okay, you are taking much more time to solve them up. I will tell you just multiplication of number 5. Just we have discussed 5 equal to 10 by 2. You know very well. 5 is 10 by 2. Is it or not? Yes or no? Are both equal? 5 is equal to 10 by 2. Yes, it is. 5 is equal to 10 by 2. The same concept we will add. Just what is the step? Whatever the number is to be multiplied by 5, in first step, divide it by 2, then add 0. Like I can write divide it by 2. 44 half. What will be the 44 half? That will be 22, and I will put 1 0 there. So this is my answer. Very easy concept. So see, if I'll say what will be the multiplication of 5, what I will do? I will make it half. I will make it half. Okay, this is half, and I will put 0 after that. That is my answer. Just so what is that? Step 1, write down, divide the number by 2. Then step 2, add 1 0 after that. 1 0 after that. Let's do this. What is the half of 64? We will do number must be divided by 2. Number must, because I know 5 is 10 by 2. I know 5 is 10 by 2. So what I will do? I will make it half. This is, I will put 0. This is my answer. That is the direct method which you will use. Now 32 multiply by 5. What I will do? I can write here 10 by 2. So what is the half of 32? Half of 32 is 16, and I will put 1 0 after it. Just, it is the answer. Just, it is the answer. Next, what will be 48 into 5? Just half it and put 0. Half of 48 is what? Half of 48 is 2, 4. I will put 0. This is the multiplication of 5 directly. This is the multiplication of 5 directly. Let's take more example. What is the 56 into 5? Don't take time. Just half this number. Half of this number is what? 28. 28. And I will put 1 0 behind it. This is the answer. Half of 56 is what? 28. And I will put 0. This is my answer. This is my answer. Yes. Yes, very good. Yes. What will be the half of 16? 8. And I will put 0. That is my answer. That is my answer. Now, 864, 864 to be multiplied by 5. What I will do? I will make it half. 2 4 the 8, 2 3 the 6, 2 2 the 0, and I will put 0. This is answer. This is the fastest method of the multiplication. Don't multiply by 5, 5, 5. Just half it, put 0. So step 1 is that number divided by 2, Then step 2, put 0. Put 0. This is very simple step. You can calculate. Got it? Got this thing? Okay. Now, what will be the answer for that? Tell me very fast. Write in the comment box. Yes, half of is, what is half of this? 133. And I will put 0. 133 and 0. Got it? Now, tell me, what will be the 286 into 5? 286 into 5. Just half the number, put 0. Somebody is asking how to calculate 15 into 5. See, I can say that is 10 by 2. So I will say 15 half is 7.5. Then multiply by 10 gives me 75. Just simple, very simple. And you know 15 is chanja very well. Why to divide? 15 5 is 75. If you know, देखो, math is just a simple thing. It doesn't matter, you have to apply this method. Any method you can apply. Don't you know the chanja 15? 15 5 is 75. Directly you can put. Why to divide? Why to use the formula? You need the result, my dear friends. There it doesn't matter how to solve them up. Yes, 186 is to be multiplied by 5. What will be the answer? 186 is to be multiplied by the 5. What will be the answer? Yes, wrong. Wrong. Yes, this is right. Nabia have given the answer. Half of it will be what? 9 and 3. I will put 0 behind this. 186 half will be what? 186 half will be 93. 180 half will be 93. Enjoyed this thing? Okay. So you can multiply any number by 5. So I am taking a bigger number, 4, 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 1, 0 is to be multiplied by 5. What I will do? Tell me. I will half this number. I will half this number. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 1, 2 0 5. 10 is 0 and 2 5 are 10. Now this number came, put 1 0 there. This is my answer. Just very simple. You can calculate any number. You can calculate any number. Just see. I will say 6 3 2 1 5 2 is to be multiplied by 5. Multiplied by 5. Half it. Half of this number. 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 0 0, 2 7 ja 14, 2 6 ja 16. That is 316076. And I will put 0. And I will put 0. This is my answer. This is my answer. Got my friends? Enjoy this trick. Have enjoyed this trick? Tell me yes or no. I want your comments in the comment box. You have to tell that you could understand that. Then I will tell you the more techniques here. So I'm going to tell you how to divide by 5. What I've told you now, I've just told you multiplication of 5. Now you will learn division of 5. What you will learn? Division by 5. What is the multiplication of 5 formula? Double it, then put 0. Okay. For divided by 5, put 0 first, put 0, then divide by 2. Write down. In multiplication, what we are doing? Double first time, put 0 in last. Put 0 in last. But when it is the divided by 5, put 0, then divided it by 2. Put 0 first. Put 0 first. Say, just a moment, write down. Double the, just a moment, where it happens. Double the numerator and put decimal before last digit. See, what we have to do? I have to double it. I have to double it. 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8, 2 8 the 2 4 the 8, 2 8 the 16, and 1 carry over 2 to the 4 and 5. And I will put decimal behind one digit. When you are dividing it by 5, what you will do? Double the number and put one decimal behind it. Again, I'm taking more example. See, 1 2 3 4 is to be divided by 5. What I will do? I will double the number and put decimal after one digit. So double of the number is what? Double of the number is this. I will put decimal after behind this. This is my answer. So you can write double the numerator. Numerator is what? Numerator is above number. This is numerator. This is denominator. So what we will say? Double the numerator, then put decimal before last one digit. So what will be the answer for this? 1349 divided by 5. Let's double it. What will be the double of this number? 2698. And where I have to put decimal? After one digit from the last. That is my answer. That is my answer. Got it? Have you got this trick? Now, one more example. Let's say one more example. 6784 is to be divided by 5. 6784 is to be divided by 5. Yes. 6784. Double will be what? Double of 6784 will be what? 2 4 the 8, 2 8 the 16 and 1 17, carry over 1, 2 7 the 14 and 1 15, carry over 1, 2 6 the 12 and 1 13, 13,578, and I will put decimal after one digit. Decimal after one digit. Got it? Now, divisibility of 50. How to divide a number by 50? Write the trick. Double the numerator, then put a decimal after last two digits. Last two digits. First of all, what I will do? I will double it. I will double it. Double is what? This is the double. Now I will put decimal after 2 digits. In 50, what I have to do? After 2 digits. In 5, what I have to do? Double 8, put the decimal after 1 digit. Got it? Clear? Now, one more example. 25342 divided by 50. What will be the answer? Double this number and put decimal after 2 last digit. What is the double? 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8, 2 3 the 6, 2 5 the 10, carry over 1, 2 to the 4 and 1 5. And where to put decimal? I have to put decimal from the last 2 digit, from right side. From right side. So answer will be 506.84. Got it? Now, this you have to solve. 92315 divided by 50. First, double 8, then put decimal from last 2 digits. Double 8 and put decimal. Got it? Now, divided by 25. Trick of divided by 25. 4 times the number, not double. What you will do? 4 times of the number, then put decimal after 2 digits. 4 times the number, then put decimal before last 2 digits. Because 50 is equal to that, I can say double and 100, because 50 is equal to 100 by 2. So here is the number is to be divided by 50. That's I have multiplied by 2 both sides. So I will double and put 2 decimals. So in this case, what will be there? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 multiply by 4, 10. Put 2 decimals because it is to be 100 by. As I know, 25 is equal to 100 upon 4. That's why. This is short trick. So what I will do? I will multiply it by 4, then put 2 decimals. Then put 2 decimals. Got it? Now, 4 times. Let's do 4 times. 4 for the 16, carry over 1. 4 3 the 12 and 1 13, carry over 1. 4 to the 8 and 1 9, and 4 1 the 4. 4 9 3 6. And I will put decimal where? After 2 digits. This is my answer. 49.36. Now, again, one more example. Let's say it is to be divided by 25. What I will do? I will make it 4 times. I will make it 4 times 10. Put 2 decimals. So 2 to the 4. Sorry, 4 times. 4 to the 8. 4 1 the 4. 4 to the 8. 4 5 the 20, carry over 2, 4 4 the 16 and 2, 180. And I will put decimal here. Decimal here. So this is my answer. So this is my answer. Write down this thing. Here it is written. Why to repeat? What you are seeing here? 4 times the number, then put decimal before last 2 digits. I have written here. Got it? Let's do this. Tell me, what will be the answer here? 4 times of the number and put 2 decimals there. What will be the answer? First of all, 4 times of this number. Yes, very good. Purvi have given the answer. Hania also have given the answer. Good, very good. Only 2 persons have given, Hania and Purvi. Now, try for this. 999 divided by 25. 999 divided by 25. What will be the answer? 4 times of this number and put 2 decimals. 4 times the number and put 2 decimals. Do it. Answer will be 39.96. Very good. 39.96. I have to multiply this by 4, then put 2 decimals. This is trick for 25. This is trick for 25. Now, trick for 125. How to divide by 125? Write down 8 times the number and put decimal before 3 last digit. Write down this trick. What is that? 8 times of the number means 21250. Multiply by 8 and put decimal from last 3 digit. Because what I did, 8 into 8, that below it is 1000 and above 125 into 8 is what? 1000. So 3 decimals and 8 times of the number. 8 times of the number. Got it? Now multiply by 25. Now, how to multiply by 25? As you know, 25 means what? 25 means is 100 upon 4. 100 upon 4. So, put 2 zeros and divided by 4. X. Rather than 25, what you will do? Put 2 zero and divided by 4. Put 2 zero after the number and divide it by 4. Write it down. Multiplication of 25. Put 2 zero after the number and then divided it by 4. So, what I will say for this, how to solve this? 4, 4, 7, 8, 0, 0 divided by what? 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, and 3, 38. 4 9 ja 36, 4 5 ja 20. That is my answer. 111950. Got it? Okay. Now, I'm going to tell you tricks to memorize English vocabulary power. How do you enjoy these tricks today? Tell me. Have you learned these tricks? You can develop the tricks also. You can try these tricks, what I'm telling you. You can do number into 5, number divided by 5, number into 50, number is to be divided by 50. Try at home. Number is to be multiplied by 25. Number is to be divided by 25. Number is to be divided by 125. Number is to be multiplied by 125. Number is to be divided by 500. Number is to be multiplied by 500. Number is to be divided by 250. Number is to be multiplied by 250. You can do your own. Okay, try yourself. Try yourself. Write down all these tricks. You can apply at home. This is homework for you. Try what we can do. Watch this video again and see how could we can solve these things. No, just that will be in case of 5. Multiples of 5. 5, 50, 25, 125, 500 and 250. Multiply by 50 is number into 100 by 2. Divided by 2, put 2 zeros. Divided by 2, put 2 zeros. 500. That is, put 3 zeros, then divided by 2. Put 3 zeros after the number, divided by 2. Double the number and put 3 zeros in decimal. Try at home. Try your home. You can do that. Okay, now see how to memorize vocabulary power. Write down how to memorize vocabulary. Okay, first is alter. Alter. Apology. Abhor. Alter. Write down. Apology. Abhor. Vocabulary means word power. Word power. Alter means to change. To change. Badalna. Apology means pardon. क्षमा मांगना. Abhor means to hate. घृणा करना. Write down. Now see how we can memorize that. See, alter. alter. देखो, एल्यूमिनियम टर. एल्यूमिनियम के तार बदल दिए. एल्यूमिनियम एल मीन्स एल्यूमिनियम टायर. जो हमारे घर में वायर लगे हुए थे वो हमने बदल दिए. एल्टर. सो एल्टर यू हैव टू कीप इट इन योर मेमोरी. एल्टर क्या कर दिया हमने? एल्टर बदल दिए. बदलना याद हो गया. नाउ सी एपोलॉजी. एपोलॉजी अपने आप लोजी. अपने आप क्षमा मांगो गुरुजी से. सर को कहो सर आई एम सॉरी आई डिडंट केम इन द क्लास प्लीज एपोलोजाइज मी. एपोलॉजी अपने आप लो जी, एपो अपने आप ले लो, क्षमा अपने आप मांग लेनी चाहिए। सब लोग क्षमा कर देते हैं, कोई गलती हो जाए तो व्हाट वी विल से एपोलॉजी, अपने आप ले लो जी। गॉट इट? एपोलॉजी। अब देखो एभर, सो सी दैट एल्टर मीन्स व्हाट? एल्टर मीन्स व्हाट? आपने ये नहीं बताना एल्यूमिनियम के तार बदल लो, यू हैव टू टेल मी द मीनिंग। कभी यहां पे लिख दो एल्यूमिनियम के तार बदल दो, नो, यस, टू चेंज, केवल मीनिंग बताना है। दैट द थिंग आई एम टेलिंग यू हाउ टू कीप इट इन मेमोरी। किसी वर्ड को हम अपनी मेमोरी में कैसे डालें, दैट इज इन एक रिलेट करके, उसे एक रिलेट कर लेंगे अपने माइंड में कोई भी पिक के द्वारा कि हमने अपने घर के एल्यूमिनियम के वायर, एल्यूमिनियम तार बदल दिए, टू एल्टर बदल दिए। अब देखो एपोलॉजी, एपोलॉजी अपने आप क्षमा मांग लो जी, एपोलॉजी क्या होगा? क्षमा मांगना, पार्डन। गॉट इट? अब आ जाओ एभर। एभर का मतलब होता है घृणा करना। व्हाट डू मीन? देखो एब हर, अब हर व्यक्ति से घृणा मत करो। व्हाट यू विल राइट? अब हर व्यक्ति से, हर पर्सन से घृणा नहीं करो, क्या करो? प्यार करो, सभी को प्यार करना चाहिए, डोंट हेट। तो एभर, एभर, एभर मीन्स व्हाट? एभर, एभर मीन्स व्हाट? टू हेट, टू हेट। और इसका एंटोनिम पूछ लिए, व्हाट इज द एंटोनिम? एंटोनिम यू नो? एंटोनिम भी याद कराती होंगी मैम। एंटोनिम मीन्स विलोम शब्द। तो एबर का एंटोनिम क्या होगा? दैट इज सिनोनिम्स। टू लव, टू लव या टू लाइक। तो एबर मीन्स टू हेट। याद हुए? ओके। What will be the meaning of alter? What will be the meaning of alter? To change. Very good. What is the antonym? Listen properly. Antonym बताना है इसका, not meaning. उल्टा बताना है. What is the meaning? Antonym. Antonym of ever. Yes. Love. या like. Love या like. What is the meaning? Synonyms. Meaning of apology. Apology का meaning बताना है. What is the meaning of apology? Pardon. क्षमा मांगना. Now see. Ambidextrous. Write down. Ambidextrous means who can use his either hand with his. दोनों हाथों का इस्तेमाल करने वाला. दोनों हाथों. Who can write with both hands? लेफ्ट से भी और राइट से भी. अमिताभ बच्चन, महात्मा गांधी, they can write with both hands. Who can write with both hands? How to memorize that? See, have you heard the name of Dexterous Library? Have you heard Dexterous Library? Have you heard any time Dexterous? अरे कार्टून देखते हो नहीं? कार्टून, एक कार्टून कैरेक्टर है डेक्स्ट्रस लाइब्रेरी. डेक्स्ट्रस एक बच्चा होता है, आप देखना, जो बड़ा शैतान होता है और वो साइंस एक्सपेरिमेंट करता रहता है. यूट्यूब पे देखना, साइंस एक्सपेरिमेंट करता रहता है, डेक्स्ट्रस, बड़ा शैतान सा बच्चा है। आई विल शो यू, दिखा देता हूं मैं आपको, जस्ट अ मोमेंट। बड़ा शैतान सा बच्चा होता है ये, डेक्स्ट्रस। वेट फॉर द मोमेंट।
एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस लगेंगी।
See that it is a Dexter. ये डेक्स्टर, ये जो आपको दिख रहा है ये डेक्स्टर है, डेक्स्टर्स लेबोरेटरी। ये शैतानी काम करता रहता है डेक्स्टर। दिस इज डेक्स्टर। देखो, हाउ टू मेमोराइज दिस वर्ड नाउ, सी दैट हाउ टू मेमोराइज दिस वर्ड, एमबी डेक्स्टर, एम बी डेक्स्टर, मुझे भी डेक्स्टर बनना है, एम बी डेक्स्टर। हाउ टू मेमोराइज एम बी डेक्स्टर। देखो, एम बी, एम मीन्स हूं, बी मैं भी डेक्स्टर की तरह बनना चाहता हूं, दोनों हाथों से काम कर सकूं, एम बी डेक्स्टर। मेमोराइज्ड? तो एम बी डेक्स्टर मीन्स who can use both hands. Got it? Ambidextrous. Write down. एलिमनी। एलिमनी होता है डाइवोर्स के बाद जो पैसा देना पड़ता है वाइफ को, डाइवोर्स के बाद खर्चा भत्ता, निर्वाह व्यय, डाइवोर्स के बाद जो पेमेंट दी जाती है वाइफ को खर्चे के लिए, उसे बोलते हैं एलिमनी। वाइफ को जो पैसा दिया जाता है उसे बोलते हैं एलिमनी। अब कैसे याद करोगे? एलिमनी, एल ले, तो मनी ले ले, मेरा पीछा छोड़, एलिमनी, एल ले, सारी की सारी ले ले मनी, लेकिन मेरा पीछा छोड़, एली मनी, ऑल मनी, एली मनी, ऑल आई मनी, मेरी सारी मनी ले ले, लेकिन बस डाइवोर्स करूंगा, मैं तेरे साथ नहीं रहूंगा। ठीक है, डाइवोर्स नहीं करना चाहिए, बताए, एली मनी, ऑल आई मनी, मैं सारी मनी ले लूंगा तेरी, एली मनी। गॉट इट? नाउ अगेन आई एम आस्किंग यू, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एवर? मीनिंग बताना है। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एवर? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एवर? एवर का मीनिंग क्या है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एवर? अरे मीनिंग पूछा, यस, वेरी गुड। हेट, हेट करना, घृणा करना। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एल्टर? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एल्टर? एल्टर, ऑल्टर, याद करो, ऑल्टर, अल्टर, सारे बदल दिए थे। क्या होगा इसका मीनिंग? टू चेंज, टू चेंज। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एपोलॉजी? एपोलॉजी, एपोलॉजी, अपने आप ले लो जी, सर से पार्डन कर लो, क्षमा, एपोलॉजी। What do you mean by LE money? All I money. LE money. LI money. LE money. What is the meaning of all I money? नो मनी नहीं है, और इसका मीनिंग टू गिव मनी टू डाइवोर्स वाइफ, वाइफ को डाइवोर्स के बाद दिया जाने वाला निर्वाह भत्ता, खर्चा, एक्सपेंस आफ्टर डाइवोर्स, मनी गिवन टू वाइफ, एली मनी. व्हाट डू मीन बाय एम्बीडेक्स्ट्रस? एम्बीडेक्स्ट्रस, एम्बीडेक्स्ट्रस, एम्बीडेक्स्ट्रस. मैं भी डेक्स्ट्रस की तरह बनूंगा. Who can use both hand? Who can use both hand with ace? जो अपने दोनों हाथ इस्तेमाल कर सकता है. See, now write down. This is the idiom trick. Synonym trick, you got it? Now, a black sheep means a rogue, बदमाश व्यक्ति, बदनाम व्यक्ति, बदतमीज व्यक्ति, काली भेड़. देखो कैसे पता लगेगा? Sheep are mostly white. They give us the wool, and when a black wool came in the herd of sheep, then he is some rogue. काली भेड़. सफेद भेड़ों के बीच एक काली भेड़ आ गई. There are all white sheep and one black sheep will be located, and she is rogue. बदमाश है, बदनाम हो जाएगी वो. तो black sheep means rogue. Black sheep means rogue. Write it down. Black sheep means rogue, बदमाश, काली भेड़, बदनाम. याद हो गया? देखो, a bolt from the blue. Write it down. A bolt from the blue. A sudden sad event. देखो, जब हमें चोट लगती है, we got some wound, तो क्या होता है? नील पड़ जाता है. कहता है ना, नीला हो गया जी, नील पड़ गया. चोट लगने के बाद क्या होता है? नीले रंग का हो जाता है. अगर हम उसमें बोल्ट कस दें, इफ वी विल ड्रॉ ए बोल्ट स्क्रू कर दें, तो क्या होगा? बहुत ही सैड इवेंट होगा, बहुत ज्यादा दर्द होगा, अत्यंत कष्टकारी घटना. ए सडन सैड इवेंट. ए बोल्ट फ्रॉम द ब्लू, नीले रंग में, और बोल्ट कस दिया, और ज्यादा दुख होना, बहुत ज्यादा दर्द होना. Got it? So we will say a bolt from the blue means a sudden sad event. याद हो गया? Next, a bone of contention. इसका मतलब है cause of dispute, झगड़े की जड़. झगड़े की जड़. देखो, bone means क्या होता है? बॉन, बंद होता है ना, बंद खाया है ना, मम्मी बनाती होंगे टिक्की रखे, बंद. बॉन, तो मैं एक बन लूं, दो लूं, तीन लूं, लड़ाई होगी. कौन टेंशन ले, मैं तो पराठे खा लूंगा. आई विल ईट पराठास. मम्मी बन लेके आई. अब देवन में बन रोज तो मिलते नहीं है, तो मम्मी ने कहा बन के अंदर मैं टिक्की लगा के दूंगी. तो ए बोन ऑफ कंटेंशन, एक बोन की कौन टेंशन ले? आई विल नॉट टेक टेंशन. ए बोन ऑफ कंटेंशन, cause of dispute. I will not fight. I will not fight with my brothers, sisters. Who will take the tension? A bone of contention, cause of dispute. एक बन जो है ना, बोन में से हड्डी होता है, बोन. A bone of contention, हड्डी की लड़ाई की जड़. A bone of contention, cause of dispute. याद हो गया? A bottleneck, a bottleneck, hindrance. देखो, जब ये बोतल है, तो इस बोतल के यहाँ जो नेक है, यहाँ पे, इसमें क्या फंस गया? Some hindrance, बोतल की गर्दन में अगर ऐसे फंस जाए तो पानी विल नॉट कम, वाटर विल नॉट कम। हिंड्रेंस, रुकावट आ गई। बोतल की नेक में क्या आ गई? रुकावट, पानी, वाटर इज नॉट कमिंग आउट, वाटर इज नॉट कमिंग आउट। बोतल नेक में क्या हो गया? बोतल की नेक में क्या हो गया? हिंड्रेंस, रुकावट हो गई, हिंड्रेंस हो गया। ए बोतल नेक, हिंड्रेंस। अब देखो, ए फार क्राई, एक दूर से रोने की आवाज आ रही है, दैट इज कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट। आई डोंट नो कहां से आ रही है, कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट, वेरी डिफरेंट। कोई बहुत दूर से, फार क्राई, बहुत दूर से रोने की आवाज आ रही है। पूर्णत्याबिन, कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट, कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट। नाउ आई विल आस्क यू व्हाट विल बी द आंसर। नाउ टेल मी। ये मैंने आपको ईडीएम याद करना बताया है। ईडीएम विल बी यूजफुल फॉर यू, और आप अपनी किताब से याद कर सकते हैं। तो उसका मीनिंग समझ के उसे दिमाग में डालो। ए ब्लैक शीप, एक काली भेड़ आ गई सफेद के बीच, तो व्हाट विल बी आंसर? ए बी सी डी। क्या होगा? वेरी गुड। रुग, बदमाश, बदनाम, ए। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छे। टेल मी। ए बोल्ट फ्रॉम द ब्लू, ए बोल्ट फ्रॉम द ब्लू। ब्लू में हमने बोल्ट कस दिया, ब्लू में बोल्ट कस दिया, नीला रंग पड़ गया था, वहां पे बोल्ट कस दिया। दैट इज ए सडन सैड इवेंट, अत्यंत कष्टकारी घटना। ए बोटल नेक, बोतल के नेक में क्या फंस गया? बोटल नेक, ए बोटल नेक, ए बोटल नेक, बोतल के अंदर क्या फंस गया ये बताना है। बोटल नेक, हिंड्रेंस, रुकावट हो गई, दैट इज हिंड्रेंस, रुकावट आ गई, हिंड्रेंस। ए bone of contention, a bone of contention, yes, a bone of contention is what? Cause of dispute. A bone of contention is what? Cause of dispute. A far cry, a far cry, दूर से आ रही है बहुत आवाज, फार क्राई। ये EF कहां से लिख रहे हो भाई? EF इज नॉट द ऑप्शन, E और F तो ऑप्शन ही नहीं है। समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट। ओके, नाउ राइट द टाइम टेबल। मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेंसडे। मंडे होता है पोल साइंस एंड फैक्ट्स, ट्यूसडे होता है ज्योग्राफी एंड फैक्ट्स, थर्सडे होता है जनरल साइंस एंड फैक्ट्स। ये टाइम है 4 to 4:30, and Saturday and Sunday our time will be 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Sorry, 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. ये टाइम चेंज कर रहे हैं। इट विल बी 2 to 3, ओके। सैटरडे भी 2 to 3, संडे भी 2 to 3। टाइम विल बी 2 to 3। Saturday, Sunday is the class of Vedic maths and memory tricks. Okay, just time change now. How do you like class? Tell me and show me your copy. Everybody. Shivai, Purvi has shown, Anshika has shown, Manav has shown, Swasti has shown, Shivagi has shown, Khushi has shown. Show me the copy. Show me your copy there. This is my copy, sir. Ramesh has shown me copy. Open your camera. Ramesh. Yes. Only 5% have shown me the copy. Write down your views about the class. Once Harshita Kritika has shown me the copy. Okay. Urvi is saying, nice class, sir. Like the class very much. Anya. Sir, your voice is not coming. Ojas. Urvi also. Manav best. Okay, thank you, Purvi. Sir, I really like the class. Sir, it is very helpful, amazing. Anshika is saying. Akshut is saying, sir, nice class. Shivaki, amazing class. Khushi, bye, sir. Purvi, I like the class very much. One shown. Vaishnavi shown. Good, sir, I am leaving the class. Kinchuk. It is helpful, Purvi. Hania, bye. Naman, sir, this class is very amazing. My favorite class. Thank you. Aradhya, good. I like class very much. Swasti, write down. Ananya, write, sir, it is very best, helpful. Nabia, write, amazing class. Aradhya is writing, nice class. Thank you very much, you guys. Aradhya is writing, nice. Thank you. Very good, very nice. Kritika, it is very interested class. Thank you, sir, for teaching us. Swasti. Ananya, nice, helpful and amazing. Shivai, I love the class. Tanisha, Hania, it is helpful, sir. Okay. See you again. Sayonara. Bye-bye. Sayonara. We'll meet Monday.